a stock meets that criteria. So for Tully Brown Company, most of their investments listed here meet at least two characteristics that I mentioned earlier. And for the rest, the three value investors, they have at least one characteristics met. So let's look at the performance comparison. Again, if you look at the chart above, you cannot really tell whether the investors perform better or the market perform better, because sometimes they win, sometimes they lose. But if you look at the cumulative return below, you can see the value investors generate incredible return compared to the market. So again, you suggest that the value investing philosophy really works, can provide a significant profit to the value investors, to the investors. And then those characteristics are good indicators of undervalued stocks. Personal views. Bargain investment does not equal to investment with excess return. Here, the key is the margin of safety. If the investor does not find any margin of safety, or the margin of safety is not convincing, the investors should not invest. And the second is for undervalued stocks. These investment characteristics are usually associated with each other's. And also they are good indicators, but they do not guarantee a undervalued stocks. So you have to look beyond these five characteristics and to get more information about the company before you make final decisions. And the last is that it requires a very long period of time. So as we can see earlier, that over the last 20 years, you cannot really tell from the chart above that whether the value investors perform better or the index, the market perform better, because sometimes they win, sometimes one wins, sometimes one lose. But if you look at the cumulative return, value investors achieve amazing job. So it requires a very long period of time. You need to be long-term oriented instead of short-term, and you need to be very strict discipline to hold on to the long period investment goal instead of short term. So it's very challenging for value investors. But if they can do so, they will have greater return than the market. So it is trade-offs. So that's my presentation. Thank you for this opportunity. Bye bye.